Hi, my name is Sandra, and this is my project. When we first start the application, it will require us to register the company. For example, let's rename it Andres Cafe. Now it requires us to create our first admin. As you can see, there's a validation here. Now, when we enter the application, there will be some menu on the left. For example, in the profile menu, we could update our profile. Now, there's also a role menu where we could assign role to each employee. For example, let me name a cashier. We could also update the role from here too. We could add a new employee to the application, for example. There's also a validation in each form as well. We can also update the information in here. Now there's also a category for items. We could add, for example, like coffee or food. There's also an update as well. For example, like this. Now let's try to add the new item to the list. For example, like latte. We could add some stock as well. Now let's try to log out from the current session and log in with the previous employee we just created. Now, for example, as you can see, there's only 2 buttons here because the user doesn't have that permissions. We could add 5 coffee here, for example. And then we could update this quantity as well from here directly. We could also add some notes to the order and then press order. As you can see, the stock has changed as well. We could view that transaction right here along with its details. Now, when we close the application, it will automatically save the data for us. So when we get back to the application, all the data will still be here. So that's all for my project.